love and creativity to your partner by using this anniversary template. And we're gonna give you some tips to add a little spice to your work. So this will be your front page. You can also use this idea where you can put happy anniversary or happy monthsary. Then at the bottom, you can add your names. Another is you can also add the date of your monthsary if you want. And the next page, this is where you can use your lovely photos. And the right side, this is where you write your message. And in the third page, this is another message area where you can put another text or a quote to end your message. And in the frame, you can use your crazy or wacky photo. Lastly, there's additional template if you want to use more pictures. So that's it. You can be creative as easy as that. You can also download the templates by clicking the link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe for more templates. Hope you enjoy!